So got a Ford Ranger, mine, and it has a problem with going vroom, vroom. It wouldn't idle steady. And come down to find out it's had a vacuum leak. See this hose right here? It was all messed up. But it goes right here. This is your manifold or your air thing. There's a little cover that goes on it I took off. But you could buy this whole pipe and it goes all the way back here and connects in the back, and it was pretty tough to look like to get it to be replaced, and kind of a little expensive. So anyway, I just went and got a little piece of hose right here. It's 5/8 inch hose. And I spliced a piece and right here and here, and you can see where I split this one right there to get it off of this end. But it went on pretty good and tight, and solved the problem for a few minutes and 50 cents. So you can now start up the engine, and it'll purr. Watch. Okay. There you go. Perfect. Yeah. Before it was loping. It was going and now this is a vacuum hose. Okay. And so it's drawn down there. But as long as that vacuum is sealed, it should be perfectly fine, even if it collapses a little bit. It's just when it was sucking air through there, down into here, into your, actually into the manifold, the air kind of, and it was making the whole engine go, so if you have a rough idle, and this is the 4-liter in here, V6 Ranger, that could be your problem right there, is that you've got a hole in this vacuum line here. It's kind of hard to find at first.